got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Hello you guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. The first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Naomi and this is therealNaomiB. I hope you will stick around and become a part of this growing community. But you guys, this deck looks so freaking good. I'm so happy that Melissa had this idea, because honestly I have to give credit where credit is due. She was the one who saw the vision and was like, you know what, let's cover the entire deck, but we're gonna make it a see-through poly something fiber glass. It's like zinc, but it's see-through, so you still get the brightness from the sun without that direct heat. But the beauty about it is it provides 90% protection from UV rays, so that's also very, very nice. But I'm so just wow. It is currently, I'd say 75 to 80% done. We only have a small square footage left of roofing to put on, but I'm very thankful for the help of Melissa's cousin that came with us this week. He was able to really, you know, do some of the things that honestly Melissa and I would not have been able to do, which meant that her dad was able to move a little bit faster with the work, but it looks beautiful. Everybody, it is Monday. Don't we love a Monday? I feel like Monday is where I feel the most creative. I love to come on here and talk to you guys and give you guys a little rundown of what we have planned for either the day or the week. And today my brother is coming over. He lives actually minutes away from the apartment, so he's walking to the apartment, and then he and I are gonna go to Richmond Hill Park and we're gonna go on a little hike. He also wants to get a little bit healthier and fitter and get some more steps throughout the day. So currently I am dressed and ready to go. I just need to quickly moisturize, put on some sunscreen since we're gonna be outside today, and then my sneakers, and we should be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed Sunday's vlog, which was the vlog that went live yesterday. I looked at the analytics for that video, and within less than 24 hours it's gotten more views than my vlogs normally get within the first 24 hours. So I told you last week I feel like we're on the up and up, and I was not wrong. Not to mention we literally just hit 890 subscribers. Actually, let me give you guys a new count for the morning, because I just got a notification that we got another subscriber. So our total subscriber count is 897 subscribers. 3 subscribers away from 900 subscribers. What? You guys are loving the girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I feel so blessed. I feel like every day I'm finding my community, I'm finding my tribe, I'm finding the girls or the guys who enjoy this form of content, and I really feel like I'm doing a better job in creating content that you guys can relate to, that is helpful, and also give you a little bit of entertainment throughout your day. I have a bunch of new smaller creators that I'm actually loving their content. Off the top of my head that I can remember, her YouTube handle is Fiercely50, and her tagline is for the mature woman, whether it be a feeling or an age. I think that is so beautiful. I think that is such a good angle. Like, I'm a mature woman, and even though I'm not 50, I do feel like I can relate to her content, and she's just such a cutie pie. She makes content around bags and fashion and stuff like that, and I really enjoy her. So if you're looking for a more mature perspective on lifestyle, fashion, bags, stuff of that nature, you will really enjoy her. I'll have her handle somewhere right here on the screen. But yeah, I've been loving her. I'm gonna quickly use some SPF. This one is from Roche-Posay. It's SPF 100, and it does not leave your face with that white cast. I love the fact that it's broad spectrum and it's like SPF 100. Like, ain't shit going through this, you know what I mean? If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description below, or you can just go on Amazon and type in Roche-Posay SPF or sunscreen. Hey you guys, look who we have on the vlog today. It's been a minute since we've seen your face. We're at Forest Park going for a little hike. It's actually nice today. It's not hot. It's a nice little cool, brisk breeze blowing. And you're tooping it in. I try to lose some weight, try to get fit.
Yeah, for the summer, buddy.
Just hit my 4,000 step mark. How much have you been? How much is a step?
I don't know how many steps, but
How long have you been walking? 3 miles?
3.17 miles.
Right. Well, he started walking because he walked to the house and then we drove here. But clearly I'm not able to meet 10,000 steps, but my short-term goal was no less than 5,000 steps. So we're at 4,000 now, so we're trying to do another 1,000 steps, then we can wrap it up for the day. Is it a very big guy? That's a surprise.
The mint was nice last time.
It is a beautiful day and today is a work day. We have a lot of things to get done, so let's get prepped for a content day. We are showered and I'm dressed. I just need to do my makeup and hopefully not get makeup all over my dress. Oh my god, you guys, when I show you this dress, it's giving cottage core realness, milk maiden gorgeousness, elegant, timeless, but we'll get into that in just a second. I just need to quickly put some makeup on my face. I'm not gonna do too much. You guys know how I do already. For the purpose of this and the fact that we are on a time crunch, I'm going to quickly just go through it, slap some products on my face, and hopefully it hits. Complete. I just need to add gloss, brush my hair out, and then we can record. But quickly, let me show you this dress. How stinking cute. Okay, you guys, that is a wrap. And I think now I know it's gonna be a great video. This is the last outfit that I ended up shooting for this week's video. These trousers are from Tommy Hilfiger, ribbed t-shirt from Amazon, and I paired it with my Chunky sandals from Steve Madden. I had a bow in my hair for the video, but I just took it out because it's getting warm today. So I'm gonna start editing actually, but first I need to clean up and put all the outfits that I shot today away because I don't want it to get out of hand. Everybody, we just got home and we are super tired. It's so hot today, which means that it is quite appropriate to make ourselves some cocktails to help to cool us off from the summer heat. We got such great feedback from the cocktails with the Balgobin special that was featured in the last video. If you haven't seen that as yet, I'll have links in the cards and also in the description. So today, my lovely wife is going to make us 2 drinks, and one is going to be an Amarada Sour and the next one is going to be a what? Cuba Libre. A Cuba Libre. For the ladies and gents who enjoy a nice, flavorful, sweet and sour cocktail, we have the Amarada Sour for you. And for the ladies and gents who more so prefer a nice, easy, simple cocktail, we have the Cuba Libre. So let's get into it.
Did you ever do that before?
Do what?
What we just did. When was the first time?
I don't know.
our perfect Amaretto Sour. This is actually my favorite drink. But with no further ado, let's do a quick little taste test. Perfect. It's refreshing, it's balanced, it's sweet, it's a nice hint of tartness, if that's a word, to it as well. It's just really, really good. Oh my god, you guys. So good. Moving on. That is our Cuba Libre. This looks so refreshing and I can't wait to try it. So let's do that right now. So good. That nice crisp citrus touch from the lime really elevates just your regular rum and coke. Baby, you want to give it a try?
Sure. Definitely.
That
great.
lime was a nice touch, right?
Fantastic.
Amazing. Outstanding. I had an amazing time trying all these cocktails and I really do hope that you guys enjoyed them. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye.